In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make passive income and how I made over $107 just yesterday with the Amazon Influencer Program. So stay tuned and see how I did it. So as you can see, this is from May 17th to May 17th. So just yesterday, right? And so this was a pretty good day. I had 542 clicks, 66 items shipped, 4 returned. Conversion rate was 12%. This is how much revenue I've helped generate for Amazon. And this is how much I, in return, was able to make, $107.52. Again, this is just from yesterday, so really, really good in my opinion. And then obviously, I have about 320 review videos, and again, they're all a minute and a half or less. So honestly, not even that bad. So that was my results from yesterday. So far this month, if you look from May 1st to the 17th, I've generated 8,367 clicks, 1,100 items shipped, 34 returned, 13.16% conversion. I've helped generate $52,000 in revenue for Amazon, and I've made $1,344.63. And here's my top performing items. These items can be literally anything. Like the top one is a potty training thing for my son. So you can kind of see just how cool it is. Let me just open this up just a little bit. And so I love this program because it's literally just the first time in which I can guarantee people, if you just simply show up, if you just simply put in the effort for once, it's just a numbers game. It's not like, oh, I'm praying to the high ticket commission gods to get a sale. It's not, oh man, I'm really stressed out. This is money that Amazon is giving traffic to your videos. It's the best thing I've ever seen as far as making money online opportunity. So if you haven't already, go ahead and check the workshop down below. That's how I got started. It's really complicated a little bit because once you get in, it's beautiful. You just literally show up. You don't even have to show your face, unlike what I'm doing here. And so if you're like Logan, it's just you making results. Really, there's 359 people in our group here every day sharing results. Like this person got $172.97 yesterday. Everyone congratulating this person just got accepted into the program. So happy for them. Here's just some simple reviews, like for any items in your household. And this person has generated just barely over $1,000 from February to May. So good job for them. And so you can just see constantly people are making money, sharing their wins. It's just a lot of fun to be part of this community. You can see this person has generated from the 1st to the 15th, $1,520. And so you can kind of see this was me the other day, made 103. So a lot of fun. Just everyone's getting wins constantly, and we're all here to cheer each other on. So this is a beautiful, beautiful community and another awesome part of the workshop that we showed you. So basically, in a nutshell, I wanted to just kind of show you what Amazon Influencer Program is. Basically, just upload videos and earn commissions. It's super simple. Upload your product reviews, buying guides, unboxing videos, and more. Videos do not need to be exclusive to Amazon, and you can reuse your existing catalog. So you make a little storefront with all your reviews on there. You can be placed on the videos when people use their phone or searching online on desktop. Your video can pop up on the bottom. And so basically you can earn commissions on any of those. And it's a lot of fun. And so if we go over here, basically all it is you build your storefront. You create content and recommend products to your audience if you think it's a good product. And then our competitive conversion rates help maximize earnings. Here's the cool thing about Amazon, right? Everyone trusts Amazon. It's not like some weird rinky-dink store that is kind of skeptical, makes people skeptical. This is a well-oiled machine. Amazon's making $1 billion per day, and you can be a part of that. So you just qualify for the program. You need to have some kind of social influence. It doesn't have to be very big, but you do need to put in a little effort that way. And all this is explained in the workshop. And so the sooner you start, like I wish that I started this over a year ago when it was put on my radar, and I was one of the dweebs, the idiots, like I still kind of beat myself up about it because it didn't start way a long time ago. So if I'm making, you know, $1,300 to $2,000 after just a month and a half, can you imagine what I could have been making if I did this for already a year? So don't be like me. Don't be an idiot. Just start looking into it. It sounds like something you want to do. So love you guys. Thanks for following my journey here. Let me know if you guys have any questions. As always, I'm always here to support you guys, and I want to give you guys up-to-date information about how my business is going. It helps me be accountable, but also I want to help share this opportunity to people that may need it. Again, there's a lot of people that are doing this who are 60, 70 years old, 20 years old, 30, and as long as you can pick up a phone and shoot it at a product and say a couple words, what you think about it, then this is something that you can do. So,
report to the dance floor. The bad girls and man whores. There's a feeling in the club, and it's going